A lot of brands, they complain that they're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars in Amazon placement fee. Forceget has a solution. How the placement fee works. If you want to ship all your goods to one single location, Amazon charges you placement fee to distribute those products across the country. Or they ask you to ship to 5 different locations and you're not going to pay the placement fee. This causing you a big pain and headache because you have to distribute the products 5 different locations and truck cost is very high. Forceget is consolidate all these shipments with its own trucks on the East Coast and West Coast to deliver multiple locations so you don't need to pay this placement fee. Contact us today for free consultation. We give you fixed rate changing between $150 to $190 per pallet across the country, every single fulfillment center. Forceget had hundreds of different trucks to go every day, different fulfillment centers, and making sure you don't have to pay the placement fee, but more importantly, you save so much time in the checking times and so much money on the placement fee. We have a free tool, it's called Profit Plus. You can connect your store to get your free placement fee audit today.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.